Let me show you how to enhance a low quality image with these few easy steps I'm about to show you using just AI power tool. Now, how do you feel as a creative when you have a project to execute and a client end up sending you a low quality image or a background? Now, I'm going to show you how to enhance them to get better with these few easy steps. Stick around to the very end of this video so you don't miss out any step. Without any further ado, let's jump straight to the video. Now, all you need to do is come over to this website, aiartsy.com, and download the software, right? The steps are pretty simple and direct. Come over to download and click on download. So automatically you have your AI Artsy image enhancer downloaded. All right. So before you do that, make sure you come to AI image enhancer. So you need to choose the product you want from this website. All right. So once you download it, automatically you will get it over here on your laptop, all right, or desktop, whatever. Now, what you're going to do is install the software. All right. So once you install it, go ahead and open it, and this is what you are going to have, guys. Now, you can see the interface is pretty simple, user friendly, and when you come over to this place, you can see upscale, so you can scale all your images to whichever size. You can see we have X1 to 8K. All right. So now over here, you can see this arrow sign pointing to the left. All you need to do is drag an image and place it in there, or you can double click on it and it will bring an image. It will bring an option for you to select your image. Now we have this low quality image. All right. So you can see I've enhanced this image from this to this. And once you click on it, you can basically just click on open, and you can see the quality of this image is very, very low. Now, all you need to do is just give it some time to process. All right. So you can see waiting for inference. So just wait for it for just a couple of time and see the results. So while we're waiting for it, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you have any question you're confused in any way, please stop looking at me and drop me a comment in the comment section below. So guys, you can see over here, we have our processed results. So you can see the difference from this image with this. So this AI power tool have enhanced this image to a better quality. And I believe this is recommended, and I decided to share with you guys. And I'm going to put the website in the down description below for you guys to check it out. So once you're done with everything, and you're convinced with the results, all you need to do is just come over to batch export or select single export. All right. So once you do that, this is where you can see the results. So you can see we have the before. So let me open it so we see the before. This is the before. You can see the quality, and you can see